Will ChatGPT 5 change the game in generative AI? Artificial intelligence development breaks all barriers, and every innovation in this area promises to take things a little further. Among the brightest is, of course, the development of the AI model ChatGPT, which has already had a significant impact on human and machine interaction. Definitely, therefore, change is in waiting for generative AI with the advent of ChatGPT 5. It generates human-like text, answers questions, and helps with many different things, according to its developer, the leading company in the field of conversational AI, OpenAI. Previous versions of the model were shown to be capable of remarkable things, such as creative writing, summarizing, and solving problems. Expectations surrounding ChatGPT 5 are set to bring unprecedented advancements into the field. Increase conversation depth. Nay, of the salient capabilities of generative AI is to mimic human-like conversations. ChatGPT 5 is likely to take conversations to new heights in quality. The model is poised to understand context much better by virtue of advanced natural language understanding, which would further ensure accuracy, nuance, and relevance in the responses. All these may eradicate common issues such as misinterpretation of a query or generic responses. These advancements may further help more users be satisfied with businesses, depending on AI-powered customer services. Accurate and empathetic responses help build trust and yield a better user experience. Creative industries get more creative to tell richer stories and generate new opportunities to create content. Developing multimodal competencies. Multimodal capabilities in AI refer to the processing and generation of not just text but also images, videos, or audio. ChatGPT 5 will have advanced multimodal functionality, bridging the gap between text-based and visual or auditory content generation. These skills will revolutionize whole industries in marketing, education, and design. Creating promotional campaigns or educational material will be very easy because it will combine text, visuals, and sound. Such advancements can help make engagement and access more effective for content creation. Drive personalized experience. Generative AI can make tremendous headways in personalization. Now, with ChatGPT 5, there can be a possibility where a model learns the tones and styles of the users while understanding their preferences and tailoring outputs for them, leading to unique and relevant engagements in customer service, educational environments, or personal productivity systems. It can also be applied to healthcare and therapy. Based on AI, virtual assistants may give personalized advice or offer mental health support because they have deep knowledge about what the users need. Such personalized interactions would make the transition from general responses to the everyday use of AI possible. Advancing ethical AI practices. As AI models become more powerful, so do worries about misuse and biases. OpenAI has been actively working to address all these issues by incorporating practices into its AI development process on responsible practices. Therefore, more stringent safeguards to prevent the production of harmful, misleading, or biased content are likely to prevail in ChatGPT 5. Such advanced moderation features and transparency mechanisms may well become a step toward responsible AI usage. This will, therefore, generate confidence in the use of technology among public and increase such adoption within those industries hitherto averse to it on moral grounds. Improving workflows across sectors. These changes by ChatGPT 5 can most probably revolutionize the workflows of processes in almost any discipline to make them quicker, streamlined, and more efficient. In other words, through AI, contracts might be generated with accuracy greater than ever for a legal firm, and reports and forecasts in the financial sector may be generated within minutes, if not seconds, instead of days or weeks. It may further the cause in the academic world by contributing toward a literature review or data-driven insights by an AI. It may even be creatively used to come up with ideas for screenplay development or video games for storytelling in regards to ChatGPT 5. Issues and problems. ChatGPT 5 has a huge scope and loads of potential, and that's what brings challenges. Scaling these capabilities requires tons of computational power, rendering them inaccessible for smaller institutions. Besides, keeping the use appropriate or private will require persistent watchfulness. Training AI on diverse datasets is essential to avoid biases and inaccuracies. The success and adoption of the model will depend significantly on the balance between innovation and responsibility. The future of generative AI. Generative AI is the latest technological advancement that also signifies a paradigm shift in how problems are solved and how creativity is expressed. Here, one hopes to see a new trend in AI that might set new benchmarks for integration into everyday life and workflows with ChatGPT 5. The rapid pace of innovation indicates that the AI landscape is bound to change and become much more powerful, with much more powerful models in the pipeline. ChatGPT 5 would be a testament that the power of AI to bring about meaningful change did not lie in technology alone but also in society. The excitement and hype surrounding ChatGPT 5 also